Hello people, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to monetize Instagram. So for this, you need to go to your profile, and if you don't have the professional account, you need to switch your personal account to professional account. After that, you can see a page like this. So I have the professional dashboard here. After that, you need to go for your three-line option, then go for settings and privacy, and you can see here is the option as creator tools and controls. You can see creator tools or business tools. So go for this creator tools and go for in this monetization status, and you can see the partner monetization policies, or so many policies are here. So if you are eligible, then go for in this payment option, add payment option, and branded. You can create branded content, partnership ads, whatever you want. So after that, you can monetize your Instagram, but if you have to switch your account to professional first. After that, you can just monetize your account, Instagram account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.